Good morning, students. In the last video, I have explained about the cash flow statement, meaning and definition. The next concept is uses and the advantages, uses or the advantages of the cash flow statement. So first, we'll see the first advantage, that is planning and coordination of financial operation. So here the cash flow statement, it is useful in evaluating the financial policies and current cash position. So the cash flow statement, it is helpful or it is useful for the management to evaluate the financial policies. Here the management prepares the financial policies. Maybe it will prepare the budgets, it will estimate maybe next year how much it wants cash, how much it has required cash in order to manage the business. So here they have to prepare the management will prepare the financial policies. So here the cash flow statement, it is useful in to evaluate the financial policies and the current cash position. So what is the current cash position? And since the cash flow statement is the basis for carrying operations, the cash flow statement will enable the management to plan and coordinate the financial operations probably. So here the cash flow statement, it is the basis for carrying out the operations. So you see, cash is the basis, right? So we require cash in order to run the business, in order to carry out any operations of the business. So the cash flow statement, it helps the management to plan and coordinate the financial operations of the business. With the help of cash flow statement, the management can plan how much it has to spend for the purchase of raw materials or machinery, and how much sales it is going to get, means how much cash it is going to get. So all these things, so with the help of cash flow statement, the management can plan and coordinate the financial operations of the business. So the next advantage is the control device. Here the cash flow statement, it is also a control device for the management. uh, Here a comparison of cash flow statement of previous year with the budget for the year would indicate to what extent the resources of the enterprise were raised and applied according to the plan. So here the cash flow statement, it is a control device for the company, right? So here it helps the management to here the management, it will prepare, it helps the management to compare with the budgeted cash flow statement, means budgeted financial policy with the previous year cash flow statement. So when we budgeted, means here we are estimating for the future, so maybe in the future we may require this much cash. So here we are estimating. Here the cash flow statement, it helps the management to compare the actual cash position with the future. So how much we have planned, this much we are going to we may require this much money in the next year. We are planning, the management is planning like that. So how much it is spending, how much money it is spending. So here the cash flow statement, it helps the management to determine how much whether the actual is met with the budgeted financial statements, that is cash flow statement. So thus a comparison of original forecast with the actual result may highlight trend of movement that might otherwise go undetected. So here there will be a comparison with the actual with the future, or the budgeted cash flow statement. So here with help of trends or any trend movement, the management will come to know that it has the control over the cash position of the company. So these are the two advantages. Next is the useful to the internal financial management. Here, since it gave a clear picture of cash inflows from operations, it is therefore very useful to internal financial management in considering the possibility of retiring long-term debts, in planning replacement of plant facilities, or in formulating dividend policies. So here the cash flow statement, it gives the clear picture of cash inflows from the operation. So how much we are getting cash, how much cash is coming, receiving from the operation, maybe business transaction. So the cash flow statement gives the clear picture of that. So here it is very useful to internal financial management. For the internal financial management, cash flow statement is very useful. So in considering that, the possibility of retiring, so with the help of that, the company can plan for the retiring long term debts. When the long term debts will retire, then it can also helps in planning the replacement of plant facilities, when we can replace the machinery plant, and it also helps in formulating the dividend policies. Here the dividend policy means, here we are estimating, preparing the dividend policy. Maybe in the next year we are going to get profit, and how we are dividing that profit, how much dividend we are paying to the share preference shareholders, equity shareholders. So here the dividend policy means planning for the future, how much dividend we are going to pay for the shareholders. The next one is the profit and cash position. So here it enables the management to account for situation when business has earned huge profit, it run without money, or when it has suffered a loss and still has plenty of money at a bank. So here it helps the management to account for the situation when the business has earned huge profit, okay, but it does not have enough money with the business. There are situations like that, and there are other situations also where the business has suffered from the loss. Means it has incurred the loss, still it has money, it has plenty of money in the bank, but still it has suffered loss. So here there will be profit and loss in the business. There are different situations in the business, so it enables the management like how to handle the situation. There are different ways. If we have, there are like in the business there are plenty of money, still the company is suffering from the loss, and in such situation there are situations where the company is earning profit, but it does not have enough money, even though it does not have money with it, but still it is earning profit. So there are different situations. It helps the management to handle such situation. And the last one is the last advantage is that the short term financial decisions. Here the cash flow statement helps the management in taking short term financial decisions. So here it helps the management to take short term. Maybe it can helps to forecast only for the 1 year, not more than that. And suppose if the firm want to know its state of solvency after 1 month from to date, it is possible only from the cash flow analysis and not to form fund flow statement. So if the firm want to know the solvency position, see this month it has enough cash, but it want to know next month what is the solvency position. Solvency means how much cash it has in the business. In order to know that, cash flow statement is enough for the business. So if the company wants to estimate the solvency position for maybe 2 years or 3 years, at that time the company requires the fund flow statement. So here the cash flow statement means it helps only for the short term financial planning, not for the long term financial planning. So all these are the advantages of the cash flow statement. Thank you.